31, 31, 31. 31 gang. All day. I'm worth way too much to be giving it up. All these goodies for my husband, sis, that's what it's for. I'm worth way too much to be giving it up. All these goodies for my husband, sis, that's what it's for. No ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. He gotta run me my bling. No ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. He gotta run me my myself a good man, and I love him a lot. He don't get bored with me when I'm talking a lot. Cause he know I got wisdom and I get it from God. So we thank God for me cause he know what he got. He ain't talking to me crazy and he
It's all about life.
What's up, babes? It's your girl Lauren and I am back with another wig tutorial. Alright. So, I'm waiting for my wigs to come in, but I wanted to show y'all how to make this awesome wig bun. Yes, this is a full wig that comes part about right here, okay? It's a long wig, it's an old wig, and I was like, instead of throwing this wig away, why not make a bun out of it? So I have washed it, re-washed it, boiled it, tried to make more curls come in. It does not work. So I was like, okay, this wig has had it, okay? But instead of throwing it away, I'm gonna still get this good use out of it and turn it into a bun when I don't wanna wear my hair down. So this is a full wig. This is the front. You know, draped to the back. So this is a full wig and I'm gonna show you how you can change your ratchet nappy wigs into a gorgeous bun, okay? It can be done. So I'm gonna show you how to do that thing, okay? Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So I went ahead and I took off the first wig I had on. Lord Jesus, this wig need a special prayer in the blood of Jesus. Like, you see how this is. I can't comb through it. It is tangled. I can't comb through it at all. And I don't want to throw it away. It's tatted, it's tangled and matted, okay? So we're gonna see what we can do with this good old wig. This is another wig that I put on real quick just so I can show you that you can do it with any wig. This is my go-to wig. I absolutely love this wig, okay? Yo, shout out to that girl Merk, okay? If you heard that song, No Ring, hey, it's a hit, sis. Everybody needs to get it. Tell these boys, clink, clink, no ring, clink, clink. You feel me? We're not giving out the goodies. If he ain't praising God, we don't want him in our lives, all right? So you better get you a man to know how to pray, girl. All right, back to this good old wig review. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off first.
no ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. No ring, clink, clink. He gotta run me by myself a good man and I love him a lot. He don't get bored with me when I'm talking a lot. Cause he know I got wisdom and I get it from God. So we thank God for me cause he know what he got. He ain't talking to me crazy and he ain't trying to box. And he know we ain't married so he can't get the box. But he ain't mad about it cause he down for the cause. Hey, that man got gifts and he ain't Santa Claus. He got him my whole purpose. Man, my boo out here working. Saving up for the wedding so he ain't buying purses. He want me to have a house with some custom made curtains. He don't want our future family to be out here hurting. And he ain't no bugaboo, he reading his Bible too. He be spending time with God, that man got too much to do. Got his eyes on the kingdom, he ain't looking at you. And all that booty on the gram never mess up his view. I'm worth way too much to be giving it up. All these goodies for my husband, sis, that's what it's for.
So there you have it, babes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Instead of throwing your old matted wigs away, you can still use that, baby, and make it out of a nice bun. So I hope this is something you can do. Until next week, oh, make sure you go to YouTube and download Merk No Ring song. As you can see, that song is popping. My sis is off the chain. She has a whole lot of records, okay? So y'all go look her up on YouTube. And if you're all about Jesus, about God, about positivity, good vibes, inspiration, go down on that girl Merk, okay? Until next time, babes.
When I go in my pocket, and the date me ain't expensive, so we making a profit. He know how to calm me down when I get a smart mouth. Then I tone right down, we serve the Lord at his house. He know how to pray for me when I'm feeling hormonal. And he ain't just my type, man, this king is the pro. We a picture perfect match, no mirror, no